did you two become roommates?
Us? Well, Tara and I were old friends, so when I moved to New York... Tara.
Mike! Welcome to New York. You'll love it here. It's great.
Maybe. Just remember, Tara, no apartment, no job, goodbye New York. Got it?
Don't worry. My friend Takashi needs a roommate. I'm calling him right now. Hi, Takashi. My friend Mike is in town. He's interested in the apartment. Yes. Yes. Okay. It's on the 3rd floor. There are 4 rooms. There are 2 bedrooms. There's a big kitchen and a great living room.
Is there a bed in the extra bedroom?
Is there a bed for Mike? Yes. The bedroom is furnished. There is a bed, a table, a lamp, a desk, and there are 2 chairs.
Sounds terrific. Let's go.
See you soon.
Hi.
Hi, Takeshi. This is my friend Mike.
Hey, Mike. Hi. Come in, you two. Wow. This is a nice apartment. Thanks. This is the living room. There's a sofa, a lamp, table, TV. Nice. Over there's the kitchen. We have a table. There are a couple chairs, a microwave, a fridge. And here's the bedroom. There's a bed, a table, a lamp, a desk, and there are 2 chairs for you. I'll take it. How much is the rent? It's cheap. It's only $800. $800? That's kind of expensive for me. I don't have a job yet.
Believe me, for New York, that's cheap.
Okay, I'll take it, but just for 1 or 2 months. Okay, welcome home.
So that's the story.
Yep, and 2 years later, we're still roommates. 1 or 2 months, huh?